Alright guys, what's up? My name is Nick, and this is iJBUpdates, bringing you my brand new channel, iJB4K. And so today I want to start this channel off with a Cydia tweak video, my top 5 Cydia tweaks. And so these are really not necessarily the best tweaks, but they are what I use most often on my iPhone 5S. So this is the iPhone 5S top 5 Cydia tweak first video. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to talk about is called Virtual Home. Virtual Home is a free tweak in Cydia, and basically all you do is install it. Once you've installed it, you can use this application without doing any settings customization, and it will do what you think it will do. Basically, it provides a virtual home, and all it does is use the Touch ID. So basically, for instance, I'm in Virtual Home in settings. If I just rest my finger on the home button rather than clicking it, double tapping it to launch the multitasker, it will actually open the multitasker. If I just barely touch it, it will actually close the application, thus saving my home button, which is actually kind of a nice feature because I find myself, after about a year of use, my home button and power button actually start to go out on my iPhone, and I've found this to be in every single iPhone I've ever used. So the second one I want to talk about is called Purge. Purge will allow you to hold an application and close it without swiping up. It's actually very useful because if you've got multiple applications up, you can actually hold and click one of them and it will close every application. Now, one to tie into Purge is called Switch Spring. So if I open the multitasker and I swipe up on the Home tab, it gives me an option to respring, which is restart, or quit all the applications. So that's another quick way to close all the applications that you have running in the background. Restart is actually a very useful feature because if you find yourself in a buggy application, you just want to restart your phone really quick, you can just hit restart. Alright, so the third application I want to talk about is called Badger. Badger is a free application in Cydia, so all you do is install. There's no settings customization for it to work. Just click barely and slide up on a notification. So if I highlight and slide up, it will tell me that I have no new notifications. And basically I do, obviously, but I've already opened the application, so I'm not going to be able to see those notifications. Alright, so the fourth tweak I'd like to talk about is called App ETA. App ETA is free through Cydia, and I'll leave the link in the description where to get these applications, by the way. And basically all App ETA is going to do is allow you to see the whole progress of installing an application on your iPhone. So if I go into the App Store and I go to download Chrome, I'm going to go ahead and OK the 17 Plus, and I close out of my application, you're going to notice that it's going to say waiting 1, 2, 3, 4% all the way until installing. And then it will install and it'll be ready to go. And so I can kind of tell on the larger downloads, like say the games that are 400 or 500 megabytes, I can see where these applications are in the installation process. So, cool little tweak. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Alright, so the fifth and final tweak I'd like to talk about is an application that does require cellular service. So if you've got an iPod or an iPad without the cellular settings, this will not work for you. Basically what TetherMe does is instead of using your, quote, tethering data, which AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, or Verizon allocates to you as your tethering data, it will use your unlimited data that you have built into your plan. 2 gigabytes for $15. I can actually get rid of that and just use my data to tether, which is an excellent feature. It allows me to connect to my MacBook on the road. Not to mention, my tethering through my LTE is actually sometimes, in fact, in most cases, faster than my Wi-Fi that I've got here at my house. So if I run my test here, it's going to test the ping really quick. It'll do the megabytes for up and down, and you're going to notice that I'm going to get like 15 megabytes per second downloading and about 1 megabyte uploading. So as compared to your Wi-Fi that most people are paying premium dollar for, this is an excellent tweak to get rid of your Wi-Fi. Or just for a particular instance where you need fast internet quick, TetherMe works for you. So those were my top 5 Cydia tweaks for 2014 at the end of March on my brand new channel for iJB Updates. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, comment in the comment section below, and let me know what you think about my brand new channel.